Lieutenant Jennifer Pastor and Sergeant Christopher Malinn from the Brookline Police Department are this year's Department of Mental Health Law Enforcement Exemplary Leadership Award winners. Lieutenant Jennifer Pastor and Sergeant Chris Malinn have been instructing and leading CIT training since Brookline started their Norfolk County-wide Training and Technical Assistance Center in 2017. They are viewed as mentors and experts to those beginning the CIT journey. Over the last 5 years, their TTAC has trained hundreds of police officers and holds exemplary CIT trainings. Usually, when we give an award, we give it to one standout person. But this terrific tandem is so durable and indivisible, such a team, that one rarely hears Sergeant Malinn or Lieutenant Pastor uttered in a phrase by themselves. Instead, it's always Lieutenant Pastor and Sergeant Malinn, or Jen and Chris, as they like to be called. Lieutenant Pastor has an unassuming yet powerful leadership style, an acuity with policy, and a steadfast sense of the right thing to do, even in highly complicated and nuanced situations. In addition to overseeing the CIT program at Brookline and their CIT TTAC, she supervises the Community Services Division. She also is pursuing her Master's in Social Work degree. Sergeant Malinn has been a driving force in creating positive change in police culture through his steadfastly cheerful yet unrelenting talent for inducing support from all those around him. He has a near-perfect track record of winning over even the most veteran of officers and receives positive reviews for them for initiatives such as CIT and critical incident stress management. Together, Lieutenant Pastor and Sergeant Malinn have developed the Brookline Crisis Intervention Team, the Norfolk County CIT TTAC, the Brookline Police Department Peer Support Team, initiated the department's therapy dog program, and hired a mental health clinician into the department. They are both members of the Greater Boston CISM team. This dynamic duo impacts law enforcement behavioral health training across the Commonwealth and Norfolk County especially, having developed compassionate and effective responses to community members in crisis. But they are most proud of the day-to-day work they do directly to help members of the Brookline community that are struggling or in crisis. The 5-year-old girl with a disabled mother in a health emergency, an elderly woman battling persistent paranoid delusions, and supporting the family of a victim of suicide by shotgun, all are part of a week's work. For all these reasons and so many more, please join me in congratulating them. There you go.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Here you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sean.
Thank you both.
First off, I'd like to thank the Department of Mental Health. I know I speak on Jen's behalf as mine. We're very, very grateful for the incredibly ongoing, generous support that they've shown us on every level throughout this journey that we've taken. Personally, for me, it's been an incredibly rewarding experience to be part of this. It's been an education for myself, working not only with the police officers here and seeing the change that we've sort of been part of culturally in the department and all the hard work the officers do and the support we've been getting consistently from the administration, including Acting Chief Morgan. It's been really rewarding, and it's been great to see that we're not the only department doing this. We've partnered with many, many departments, I think 45 agencies, including 23 departments from Norfolk County, and all of them are doing great work. Or they're going down different points in the process, but they're all dedicated to it, and I think it's a reflection on how policing is heading. And I think through the incredibly generous grant that DMH has given to us, we've been able to be part of that process. So we're very honored to be receiving the award, but obviously the big part of it is our partners in the Brookline Police Department and across Norfolk County and beyond. So thank you once again very much.
Thank you doesn't really begin to cut it. This is a completely humbling experience. And we'd be remiss if we didn't thank the Department of Mental Health again for all of their generous support, not only just with the funding, but with their time and with their commitment to helping us succeed. Part of their generosity includes funding Annabelle, our full-time LICSW. She was nice enough to nominate us for this award, but she's really, we wouldn't be where we are without her. Thank you for everything that you do. This is really a great honor, and we appreciate it a lot.